It is the holiday season. Welcome. I wonder if you are wanting to prepare for spending intensive time with family. Every year around this time, I hear people saying some version of the same thing. Like, I just want to get through the holidays. I'm already bracing. I love my family. I dread being with them. And I want to start by saying, if that's you, I'm right there with you. We are not bad at relationships. We are not failing at being compassionate, and we're not, doing all of this incorrectly. But I want to talk today about old relational patterns that come up and give us very familiar nervous system pressure and responses. And so we're going to talk about how to prepare for holiday conversations, not by fixing your family, not by learning how to say the perfect thing, not by changing how they are, but instead, I want to give you some practical tips for how to stay whole and grounded when everything around you feels like it's pulling you to fragment and fall back into old patterns that maybe you thought you had left behind. So let's dive in. The first thing that I think is helpful to acknowledge is that our negativity bias and our confirmation bias can show up around the holidays. So your nervous system is wired to scan for danger. And when we return to our families, especially our families of origin, our bodies remember everything. Not just what happened growing up, but who we had to become in order to belong, in order to feel safe. Maybe you were the peacemaker, or the competent one, or the quiet one, or you were the facilitator, or you're the one who just swallows everything and smiles, right? So the moment you walk through the door, your nervous system is going to be saying to you, oh, we know this place. I know these people, places, everyone. And then what happens inside of you is something really important. All kinds of old roles come up front and center, all your old survival strategies. And they did work when you were little. When you were little, they kept you connected and protected and included. And so now, as a wise, functional adult, we don't ask, why do I do this? We start asking, what do I want to do new now? So, this is the really important but radical shift that I'm going to invite you to make as you enter into this season. You're not going to ask yourself, what do I want to